Many people assume that canned food lasts because there is no air inside the can. And the idea is that without oxygen, bacteria or fungi, which might spoil the food, without oxygen, that they can't grow. And it sounds reasonable, but actually it's not correct, right? Because there are indeed many microorganisms that do not need oxygen at all. They're called anaerobic bacteria, and one of the most dangerous food poisoning bacteria, Clostridium Botulinum, is exactly one of them. It grows best even without oxygen. If the absence of air were the reason that canned food stays safe, cans would actually be quite dangerous. Now, the real reason canned food lasts so long is actually much simpler, because there are no living microbes inside the can to begin with. Now, during the canning process, the food is sealed inside the can, then it's heated up to a very high temperature, and the goal is not to remove the air. The goal is to kill the microorganisms inside, and at the same time, of course, also to cook the food. Now, that is, of course, not trivial, because food is never sterile. Fresh food always carries bacteria and fungi, and some of them form resistant structures called spores. And those spores, including those of Clostridium botulinum, they can survive normal boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Now, that's why industrial canning uses temperatures above 100 degrees, achieved with steam under pressure. And this process is called pressure canning, and this high heat kills. It kills bacteria, it kills the fungal cells, and most importantly, it also kills the bacterial spores, which are otherwise able to survive dryness and also high temperatures. And once that's done, well, then the food is sealed in an environment where no new microorganisms can enter. And that's essentially a process that has been discovered back in the day by the famous Louis Pasteur, and it's still used today. It not only stores the food, but also keeps us safe.